Now, I recently made a video on ways that you can make money online, and Twitch and streaming was one of them. And I want to just kind of give a shout out to my boy right here, Dr. Disrespect, who gave me a shout out after I gave him a donation. And I love this guy. You know, he streams video games, he plays video games, and he's great, dude. He's a great character. He's funny. He's clean. He's a character. Now, this is the clip, and keep in mind that there was probably 50,000 people watching him at the time of this. Maybe this is a good way for you to even advertise your company in the future. Who knows, you know? But this is where we got right here. So,
ladies and gentlemen, Darrel Wilson with a $250 donation says, "Let's go two-time blockbuster video game champ. Keep that head up, soldier. Let's take this down and win."
I absolutely want to get 40.
Whoa! Can we get some firm handshakes in the chat for good old Darrel Wilson? That is an extreme high-end $250 steak dinner donation.
Steak dinner. So he's gonna buy steak with the money I gave him. You see that? But in reality, though, you know, we donate to these guys because we want to support their channel. We want to keep them, you know, we want them to keep doing what they're doing because we like to watch them. They're entertaining and everything. And this is one of the ways you can make money. I mean, I sent this guy $250, you know, and I don't really send out donations too much, but you know, I'm really glad that he gave me a shout out because I love the guy, dude. He's funny. He's
I'm just kidding, Darrel. I'll probably put it in.
He was streamer of the year, actually. This guy's pretty popular.
I definitely will not.
Here he's kind of talking about what he's doing with my money, you know, and
medium.
He's just trolling. Look at the chat over here, dude. Look at these guys. Like all these people are just going nuts. Look at this. It's so funny. This is classic stuff, dude. This is why we love the internet because of these chats, you know.
Little martini or something. I mean,
here he goes. He's just talking about.
You're right. You're right. I will save. Thank you, Darrel Wilson.
Head towards it.
So again, you know, I just want to make this video just because, you know, I'm just really happy he gave me a shout out, and you know, this again was also a topic on how you can make money online simply by streaming. You know, it's doable. In fact, living proof. I just donated money to this guy, but he's one of my biggest fans, and you know, I was just really happy when he gave me a shout out and everything. So I just want to go ahead and thank him. Maybe he'll even respond to this video. That'd be really cool if he responded to this video, you know, because I do watch all of his streams. I don't even think he knows I do YouTube, you know. I don't think he has any idea. But yeah, so I just want to kind of correlate both of the ideas. So let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe to him. Check out his channel. He plays video games all day. He's living the dream. He's living the American dream. And I will see you all in the next video.